YouTube, welcome back to today's episode. We are doing the final prep before we put together our CR85RB big wheel. Okay, we are back at the shop once again. These are all of our pieces. We're gonna remove the blue tape, sand our edges, get it pretty good, and then we are going to hone the cylinder. You wanna really help the piston rings wear in properly into the cylinder. So here we go. It came out great. There was a couple areas where I missed with the coloring, but overall I'm happy. 99.98% happy. It came out great. It's just, I'm hard on myself. I critique myself pretty damn hard when it comes to doing jobs and such. Nice, huh? Clean, crispy. Here's our water pump. Oh, missed a spot. Fuck. All right, now I'm just 98% happy. I can't believe I overlooked it. I missed this piece of here and here for the paint. Can't worry about it now, it's done. We're gonna sand off the little bits. Non-slip durable backing, 320 grit. Tech cloth. Okay, so flex hone is a very simple process. Essentially, you're making 45-degree cross hatches marks inside the cylinder wall. Now, aluminum is very soft, so you want to use, when you use your flex hone, you want to make sure you have plenty of oil inside the cylinder wall and on top of the flex hone itself. And 5 to 15 seconds is as long as you need to be in there, because any longer you start pulling off way too much material. You just want a little bit, just so the piston itself, the ring, can seat properly and break in easier. Yep, so just take your oil, coat the side really well, soak it up. Same thing with your hone tool, really give it a good dousing. You want to be spinning as you're about to go in. Real slow. And that's it. Spin, nice. We got some good grooves in there. If there's any burrs or anything that might be in the cylinder wall are now off. I didn't know how bad the damage was caused to the bike itself, but if I can do anything to make it that much easier and make sure that it's running properly, then I'm gonna go ahead and take those precautions. Because as much as fun as this was, I don't want to rebuild it, keep having to rebuild certain stuff. So obviously the top end is way easier than the whole bottom in the rebuild kit, but nonetheless, just want to make sure I had that done. This is a nylon brush, soft. You can use a spiral brush as well. Just go in there, clean up the area just a little bit better. Again, it's just an optional thing to do. You don't necessarily have to, but I don't want to take the chance. Oh, well, you can see in there. Do 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 be do be do 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 All right, we're time for seals. So, seals and bearings, let's do it. So I've got my torch in hand, and inside my bag here, I froze the bearings overnight. So they're gonna be as small as possible. So when I add a little bit of heat to expand the aluminum, hopefully the bearings go right in. I have a plethora of sockets that I will help guide things in, bang them in if they don't happen to go in. I put the bearings in a bag and in the bag with ice. So let's get the two big Johnnies here. These are our main. Fuck. God damn it. Are you kidding me? Fuck me. God damn, the first one's gotta be fucking jammed? Fucking hell. That absolutely sucked. Glad we didn't panic. Okay. Now we know a lot more heat, take more time, and be faster with the bearings. Lessons learned. Don't jump the gun here. Let's go back to my pictures of the bearings so I know what the hell goes where. So main is in. Okay, this one, this is gonna go there, okay? Now, the other one looks like medium size with a lot of little bearings. It's probably gonna be this one. Yes, okay. And then this jobber goes in there. Okay. Fucking hell, these bags. All right. Back into the ice. Zip it up. Mother. Torch the ever-loving shit out of this thing. Torch! Or torch! Or! Okay, action. Bag, other bag, Ziploc, pliers. Good, next one. Good, next one. Very good. Good. On to the next. I got this big bitch here. Big bearing, small bearing, medium bearing. Stock one that comes with the bike that doesn't come out. More fire! Big bearing. Perfect, right in. Medium bearing. As well, right in. I have one extra bearing left. I'm like, where did that come from? I forgot it's the back side, and I just happened to remember I put a little Sharpie dot to let me know that I gotta put something there. Now this is interesting because I have to heat this up, but I don't want to put this flat on the ground since it's painted. I'll go on either side, here and here, with some rag, I guess. Just torch the ever-loving hell out of it, and hopefully it just falls right in. That's the plan. We're gonna do that now. Okay, that's all the way in. That's it for bearings and hot work. All right, time to let all the pieces cool, and then we'll move on to the actual seals, the rubber seals. Okay, so while the other clutch case is cooling, we're gonna open up our brand new seal pack here. And all we need to do is go back to those pictures that we took so we know what seals go where. And the best part is none of them are the same size, so it's going to be a matching game to find out where they go. They are directional too, but we'll take our time and we'll figure out which way they go which. So a good way to tell to eliminate where to go is the opposite side of the bearings is where the seals are going to go. So flip it over. These are the bearing sides. These will be the seal sides.
Welcome to the cool side of the pillow.
So the flat side is gonna face out. The inner ring side is gonna face the bearing. That way lubrication can get behind the bearing itself as it's spinning around. To help it along, you can use assembly lube. So I'm gonna grab our assembly lube here. So good, it smells like cinnamon. Ah. Fantastic. So I'm gonna just do a little dollop here on my finger. I'm gonna get the outside of the seal. I'm just gonna press in. Nice, lube her up. Go a little more. Find a socket that matches. This seal has to be in a specific way, and it needs to be down 2 millimeters. So you're gonna need your slide rule here, and we're gonna go to 2 mils. Okay, close enough. I pushed down too far. Great. Okay, whatever. All right. Right. Yes. Hey. Come on, you bastard. Ah, fuck. Wow. You don't want to be in there, do you? Oh, you bastard. I'll get you in, you fucker. Yeah. Okay. On the carpet. And the socket. Come on. Ah, fuck. God damn it. In my hand. Ah, you fuck. You bastard. Can't get it to seat all the way in. Oh, I fucked up and pushed it in too much. Fuck me. How is putting this in so stressful? Oh, god damn. Smash my fingers, stressed about this. All right, groove facing in, apparently, according to my pictures. Hey, oh. Finger bang the hole. You like that, huh? Suck on it, gay boy. Ugh. So those are facing flat up. Now for the water pump side, my picture has it where the flat seal goes against because the water pump seal is on the water is on the outside. God damn it, I forgot a seal. Of course, it's the double one behind the water pump. And then the battery died. Oh, God damn. Gloves on. Oh, for fuck's sake, I'm getting aggravated. It's hot as hell in here. Flat side, face up. Oil side, inside the crank. Then this, it's flat against each other, sealed. This goes out, oil, seal in. Oh, it ain't easy. This shit hurts. Ugh. See that? Flat side up. Now, like an asshole, I have to lube this bearing up again. Okay, now we're done. I've got no more bearings. I've got no more seals. I cannot find my never sees, so yet again, I gotta go leave and go to the store to go get some sauce. Back in a minute. No, you know what? Forget it. I'm done that. We're done. That's today's episode. I'm aggravated. It's hot as hell in here. I'm gonna wrap it up. I gotta go to the store to go get Never Sneeze and get some sauce, and then I can continue on. But for now, we're done. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you learned something or two. Hope you laughed in my freaking pain and misery, because that's what I'm here for, right?
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?
Like, subscribe, comment. You know the drill. Y'all have a good one. Enjoy the weekend. Peace!